good morning.
Good morning.
And she is a goody morning time.
Good morning. Just finished 5 lessons today. And Kazu came home last night with a small present from his friend. Yeah, she's so sweet. Like, she's Kazu's band member, and she always gives us gifts. And she had a gift for me. She had a small Christmas gift. Not this. It was the wrapper. It was like a ribbon party. So cute. She gave me this. This is so adorable. Actually, I love disposable cameras. I always have one in my bag. I haven't taken any photos recently though. I love those Fujifilm Utsurun desu disposable cameras. Probably a collaboration between, hold on, Fujifilm and Kuroneko, the delivery company. Here it is. Just took it out from the package, from the plastic box. Thank you so much. You know who you are. It's the back. It's probably just the camera with this yellow cover. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Lou? What are you doing, Lou? Just watching the day go by. Hey, Lisa? Hey, Lisa. You ready for a long nap? Lisa? 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 She's annoyed. Hey, Siri. What's the high temperature today?
The high will be 11 degrees today.
Hey, Siri. Should I go out for a run?
Nazra, I'm not sure what to say.
Okay. The Siri doesn't know if I should go out for a run or not. No, Siri should.
Sigh.
Siri should at least learn how to give simple advice. Like, if it's raining, you should wear wear a raincoat. If it's really cold, wear a sweater. I asked her, should I go out for a run? And she said it was 11 degrees. She could at least say something like, yeah, you can go out for a run, but wear lots of clothes. I know.
Space. Don't give me my space. Just give me my space. What are you? We're not praying Salah. Brothers, feet closer. Feet closer. Don't touch knees. Oh, look how great that looks.
Just went out to the balcony to check the weather, and Lou ran out. Lou, come on in. He's possessed with those leaves. Lou, you can't get them. Lou. Let me go out. Going inside. You're not eating it. What did you eat? What did you eat? God! No, you're not going out. He thinks I'm going out. I am not. I'm just looking at the coat. Look at that. It's really windy. I want to go out because it's so sunny. It's so sunny but extremely windy. Do I want to run or not? I don't know. Finally going out for a run. Yay! Lisa. Many Merry Christmas. Lol.